guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to hold your cello bow. So for reference, this is my left hand and this is my right hand. So everything should work if you just, raise your right hand. It should be on the same side. So what you want to do is you want to first start off holding your bow like this because it's easier to support and easier to get your bow grip. I would like you to notice some interesting parts. So there's this little space right here, where your frog is. This whole black thing is the frog, and there's the silver right here, the leather, the rest of the stick, the silver right here, the lower silver, I guess. They're nickel, but the mother of pearl. So what you want to do is you want to take your hand, shake it out, make sure you get all the tension, right? Just drop it. You want this general hand shape, okay? Very relaxed, very natural. Now what you want to do is you want to guide your thumb to right in front of where the frog starts. So that's where you want your thumb. Your first finger should go on the black leather or rubber part. Your middle finger should go on the silver. Your ring finger should go over the pearl, and your pinky should follow right after. And this is how you kind of just want your bow grip. Always support your bow with two hands, not like what I just did, but always support your bow with two hands so that way you don't accidentally drop it. Now, this is the basic hand shape that you want, right? Your thumb is just right in between, like right in front of the where the frog starts, right? So right there. So just again, thumb right where the frog begins, first finger on the rubber or leather, second finger on the silver, ring finger over the pearl, and your pinky just follows. And you'll always have a really nice bow grip.